Alright, welcome back to Windows 7 End User Support. We're looking at Activity 8-3. We will be viewing and configuring IP version 4. So we will get right into it on the Start menu. Go to the Control panel. And from there we want to go to Network and Internet. And then Network and Sharing Center. So under the Network heading, we need to go right of Connections and click Local Area Connection. Under Connection, we want to click the Details button right here. So this just shows us some additional details about addressing for the network connection, and the IP version 4 configuration information that is here is the physical address, which is right here. It's going to be the MAC address, so it's the actual physical address of the network card. You got your IP version 4 IP address, the subnet mask right here, the default gateway, the DHCP server, the DNS server, and the WINS server. So then we're going to click Properties here, and then we are going to click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then go to Properties. And this just shows the basic configuration of IP version 4. By default, the IP address and DNS server address are obtained automatically, and that's going to be through a DHCP server. So if you click Use the following IP address, it allows you to type in an IP address. So we're going to try 100. Subnet mask will show up at 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. So we will use and we will also specify our own DNS server. So we will do 192.168.1.5 and click the advanced button here. So in the advanced TCP/IP settings, you can configure additional options. On the IP settings tab, you can configure multiple IP addresses and default gateways. Right now we just have one for each. So then on the DNS tab, it allows you to control how DNS lookups are performed and whether this computer attempts to register its name with the DNS servers by using dynamic DNS. And then on the WINS tab, it allows you to configure how WINS lookups are performed. Some network administrators prefer to disable NetBIOS over TCP/IP just to reduce the network broadcasts. But some legacy applications require NetBIOS, so test your applications before you disable the NetBIOS. So we'll click Cancel to get out of this one. Cancel to get out of this one. And cancel. And close this. And that is just a little bit about viewing and configuring IP version 4. If you leave it to automatically assign, it'll get its address from a DHCP server. If you don't, if you want to set it up statically, then you can go in there and actually type in the exact IP address that it will have each time. Thank you very much for watching.